Hello, Vlogmas Day 3. Oh, guys, just not a good day. Not a good day. I'm kind of in a bit of a funk, to be honest. I feel awful, really coldy. I like keep just coughing so much, and it like makes me feel quite sick when you cough loads. So that's not nice. And I'm just full of snot. I just can't get it out. I don't know, it's just horrible. And I'm doing that thing where you blow your nose and your ears pop, so I'm like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to like cause more problems. But I am also waiting by the phone. It is, what time is it? Like 2:30 or something, and I've just had lunch. That's really late for me actually, because since I've been pregnant, because I've been feeling sick, I've been eating a lot earlier. But when you're doing stuff and adrenaline's running, it's fine. Well, for me anyway. So I didn't eat until about 2. I had a really lovely lunch though, so that was good. So I had tuna, avocado, sweet corn with rice and spinach. That was so good. So I loved that lunch. And I am going to treat myself to a little bit of sea salt dark chocolate, which is my favourite. I don't really like dark chocolate, but with sea salt I really like it. Anyway, but yeah, I waited by the phone because it's just more courier stuff. I mean, that's why I'm pretty much depressed today, to be honest, because it's now Monday, it should be sorted, and I'm just waiting to hear stuff, and it's getting to me. It's really getting to me. Oh, anyway, I've done enough crying today, and I just need to get on with my day. And although I've got to wait by the phone, so I can't walk hobbles until they call, I'm going to still try and get some stuff done. I've got some tidying to do. I'm going to edit yesterday's Vlogmas, which I'm nearly finished anyway. I just need to finish off. And then I'm hoping this afternoon will get better and I'll be able to show you some cool things, because I'll definitely take you out for a walk. And we might have to go see Christmas House, because I kind of feel like if in doubt, Christmas House is the Vlogmas way. But I'm really enjoying watching a Vlogmas while I have my lunch, and it's got to be Jacqueline Salem from Brooklyn Knit Folk. Sorry, I can't even say things. Ugh, so coldy. And I just love her Vlogmas. I love it so much. It's my favourite, and she just takes me around New York all the time, and I just love it. It's just wonderful. So I enjoyed watching that. That really perked me up actually. And yeah. Oh, life goes on, doesn't it, guys? So, and actually what is always making me happy at the moment is my baby is kicking so much. She really is a little kicker, and at least 4 or even 5 times a day she like properly goes for a full-on kick, where it's like for a good 10-15 minutes she's just like boo 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 boo. And that is so lovely. That really lifts my spirits. So yes, keep kicking, little girly. So yeah, it's not all bad. Sorry for a bit of a down start to Vlogmas Day 3, but it will all be better. It's all gonna be fine. And yeah, okay guys, see you in a bit. Hey everyone, okay, so it's a lot later, a lot of phone calls and emails later. It's not a good day. But okay, I actually thought while I was walking here, I was like, I bet Christmas House isn't even up, and I was like getting myself in a bit of a state. But Hobbs and I are having a nice walk, and look what I see in yonder way. Da, 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 da. That shining beacon of light is Christmas House. Let's go check it out and see what they're doing this year. Bubbles! What's this? Ta-da! Yeah, that did the trick. Why does that house, it just makes me so happy. That really cheered me up. Sorry, I'm very blurry. Yeah, we're pretty much doing the same as last year, but just seeing it has made me feel festive and excited and made me realise that everything is going to be sorted. There aren't problems, there are only solutions, and life is good, Christmas is good. Okay, right now I need to get some food because I'm really hungry. Okay, so tomorrow I have 2 days, so Tuesday and Wednesday at my folks' house where I'm house sitting. They're off to Paris to see my brother. So I've got to get some fabric so that I can do some cutting out while I'm there. Probably not going to get a chance to sew, there's no point taking my machines. But do you want to come to the summer house and choose some fabric with me? That's exciting. Here we go. Right, I want something sparkly for the new craft house party this weekend, but I actually don't think I have anything. So I'll have a look for some kind of jersey that's snazzy instead, and I'm going to make a sleeved kilo that goes over the bump. Okay, Stephen is back from work.
Hello.
Hello.
Long day.
It was a long day. And you have door number 3 to open, I believe.
I've been looking forward to this all day. Now, Gabby's riddles, for all you people at home, are often really, really funny. Because they're often really, really literal.
Oh dear, I'm coughing,
But
sorry.
this is actually a really long one. I think you worked quite hard on this one.
I have. Read it out.
Normally they say things like, it's in the 3rd drawer on the left.
No, they're not that obvious.
I spy with my little eye, but no, not one, you'll need 2 eyes. I'm hidden in your world of make-believe, where rabbits dance and pirates thieve. Behind the glowing carousel, who knows what stories I will tell. I know exactly what it says. So Gabby does a really, really long, elaborate clue and just tells me exactly where the thing is.
Well, the thing is, okay, alright, fair enough.
Come with me, I'll show you what I mean. So, Gabby so far has done I'm Hidden in Your World of Make Believe, which is clearly the bookcase.
Yes.
Where rabbits dance, well, it's going to be Alice in Wonderland, and Pirates Thief is somewhere
Oh, well,
between.
you think it's going to be Alice in Wonderland?
It's near Alice and...
Oh, you think it's Alice, do you?
Yes, I do.
It's nothing to do with Alice.
Alice and Peter Pan.
No.
But then it's behind the carousel. So
Okay,
I would have spent
alright.
hours looking here, but there's actually a carousel in the book.
I know, but you were so late back.
Oh, no way! That's awesome.
See, you need 2 eyes.
Gabby knows I collect these. These are Viewmasters.
Yeah.
So I collect stuff like this in stereoscopes. Should you have a look through?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I think it's just a sample one, so you have quite a few slides, don't you?
Okay, so there's a man stroking a tiger. And then there's a boy on a pier chatting to a dolphin.
Yes.
Have you looked through this already?
Those were the ones I've seen, yeah.
It's clearly awesome. And then, it's randomly gone into Cartoon World with Laurel and Hardy. And then, that's spooky. There's some kind of like religious culty type ceremony. I call it that one. This is a sample. Okay. The Tower of London, standard. Fields of flowers. And then we're back to the beginning again. And these are
Can we see if you can see through the camera?
Yeah, I don't know if you get the stereoscopic effect.
Let's try it.
You can need to hold it up to the light.
Okay, let's try. Oh yeah. Oh, wait, there is something. Oh, that's like flowers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then do you want to, I think that's one is the man stroking the tiger.
That's really hard to see. It's very dark.
Fair enough. But if you have a look round, in fact, should we show them why I like stuff like this? If you go back that way, I'll...
Oh,
if I turn the lights off here,
yes,
we'll
okay.
point at the camera. So this thing up here we found at a Carby. Do you remember, Gav?
Yeah, I do
Look at
remember.
this.
Yeah.
And this is an old magic lantern. And so what we've done is on this wall behind Gabby, although it's still really bright. So there we go. That's a scene of a storm at sea.
Oh, I love it so much.
And that projects onto the wall, but obviously when we turn the lights back on it doesn't.
Yeah.
But that's always on. So it's
cool.
always there, but people often miss it because it's hidden behind a mirror.
It's hidden.
Anyway, yeah.
That's brilliant.
What a wonderful gift for day 3. Thank you very much, darling.
No problem, darling. Actually, while I'm wandering about, I'll show you what I got yesterday for day 2. Oh, where's he gone? Okay, he's fallen. Oh no, he fell. He's so heavy. We've realised that our tree doesn't like heavy ornaments at all. It's a lovely, fragile tree. A little bit like me, actually. But Stephen got me this decoration, which I love. It's like a tin, very large Father Christmas.
Yeah, that's
and
Santa at the end of the night.
Yeah, exactly. He's a beauty, isn't he?
So what did I get you for day 2?
Oh, no, this is day 2. This is the Father Christmas.
So what did you get me for day 1?
Have you already forgotten?
I'm just asking you to share with us.
Is the poems missing? Because it was another good one.
It was an awesome one, wasn't it? Oh, it was a book.
Yes, it was a book. Are you laughing at the book?
So we bought this while we were Carby the other day. I know it's really early.
Oh yes. We found this yesterday. Isn't it so cute? We love anything animals, blue and yellow. That is like our main thing.
And then
this is what I got you.
Cliche over father.
Well, you know what? I got it for you on day 1 because I thought just in case you want something like that. And it's written by...
It's actually really, really interesting.
Yeah? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, there's probably stuff that I don't know, and you can just tell me.
There's a lot of stuff that we both have no idea.
Because I don't want to have to read about it, so you can read it and then tell me the stuff I need to know.
We'll leave out some things I think we probably better off even thinking about.
Okay.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Have a calendar day 3.
Yay! All right, time for supper.
Yeah. Hungry.
2 and 0. The first is making shoes at night while the old cobbler sleeps.
Lazy cunt. Couldn't even make a clock.
You can bake cookies in a tree. As you can imagine, it's dangerous having an oven in an oak tree during the dry.
What are you doing? Listen, Snuggle Monkey. What are you up to?
What's this? Sit. House, sit. Yes, hello. Nice to see you too. Nice to see you too. Right, so what day is it today, Hubs? Oh, hang on, did we put what in?
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay, sit. Stay. Going to open door number 3. What is that, Hobbs? Oh, it looks amazing. Sit. Shake. And the other hand. And happy day 3.
Yay! Oh, yay! Right, my darling, shall we go to bed?
Day 3 and the countdown to Hobbs's Christmas is done. He's making short work of that. Alright, bedtime.
Bedtime!
Good night, everyone.
Night, everyone. See you tomorrow for day 4 of Vlogmas.